this mail call with you today because this is something that I have been waiting for such a long time. Woo! So excited. So without further ado, let's get this mail call started, you guys. There we go. It's mail call, it's mail call. Look what I got in the mail today. It's mail call, it's mail call. I'm so happy today. Well, you know, normally when I do a mail call, it's something that you guys might have sent me. But let me tell you, this mail call is all about Miss Renee. It's things that I ordered for myself. That's okay, because mail calls don't always have to be done when some special person has sent you something. No, it can be whatever. If I got a mail call and I ordered something from the $1.25 store for myself, trust and believe, baby, I'm going to come and I'm going to share it with my family. Because that's what we're supposed to do, right? When we get something that we're just so excited about and we have to share it and we just can't stand it anymore. We just want you guys to feel our joy and excitement. Well, this is the day. This is the mail call that I am so ecstatic and happy about that I just had to share it with you guys. Are you guys ready? Because I know I am. All right, the first thing I ordered, and I already took it out of the box, so it'll be easier for me to show it to you guys without all that struggling of that box. Because sometimes that takes a long time, and sometimes the struggle is real, baby. The struggle is real. So here we go. It's right over here, and it looks like a big box just from the size of it. Woohoo! All right, look what I received. Let me see if I can get the good picture of it. So you guys, yeah, this will be a good one. Are you ready? Dun, 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 dun! It's another dehydrator! And you guys have been asking me about what type of dehydrator that I purchased. Let me show you the name. It'll be backwards, but it's Roseville. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, baby. I got another one. And why do you say, Renee? Why did you get another dehydrator? Because the one dehydrator that I have, it's doing a fantastic job, but it's just not quick enough. But I love this dehydrator. So I said not one dehydrator, but two would be even better. So when I said, and I thought about, if I had two dehydrators, you know how much stuff I could pump out quick? Like I'm working on a project now that I'm waiting for it to get done. But if I would have had this second one, this bad boy, I could have had like a double batch. And you know, I'm all about, my mission is, if you haven't seen that video about me talking about harvesting my green onion tops and making my powder, onion powder. And how many jars did I want? Three. And how many jars do I have? Just a half of a jar. So if I had this second dehydrator, woohoo, I could put more green onion tops in there and I can dry them quicker and I can get to my goal of 3 full jars quicker. So that is why your girl brought another dehydrator. And plus, when all my stuff comes in and it's time to harvest that stuff out there, I don't want to have to be taking days and days to get my stuff done. When now I got another dehydrator, woohoo! I can do it in record time. So I'm so excited. I can only imagine the things that I can put in this dehydrator and all the wonderful spices that I have been making. So if you guys haven't been watching my videos on me making my spices, y'all need to jump on that spice train. And we need to get these spices rolling. But that's not the only thing that I ordered. You guys want to see the second thing that I ordered? Okay, I gotta get it. It's kind of heavy. So I may just turn the camera around and just put it as close as I can to it, okay? All right, let me get situated and then I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere because you're going to want to see this second thing in my mail call. Hold tight. I got to get my muscles ready because this bad boy is heavy. All right, wish me luck. I can do it. Here we go. Guys, I used my big girl muscles and I was able to get it on my knees. So I'm going to see if I can tilt it up so you guys can see exactly what it is. You see it's a box this big. See how big this is? Oh, it's huge and it's massive and it's heavy. But you know what? Your girl is going to share this beautiful second mail call with you. I'm not going to open it because it's got too many pieces and I'm not ready to put this thing up. So when I get this thing all put together and get it looking the way I want to look, and I take it out and put it in the spot where it belongs, because this piece is going in the black and white garden. And I'll tell you why I'm going to put this in the black and white garden once I get it all set up. And I got to do a few things to it to get it right. So you guys want to see what it is? Okay, here we go. I already know, so I'm going to just say it and show you guys. All right, here we go. Get your muscles ready, Renee. You can do this. Woohoo! See, it's a wooden garden bed. It's a raised bed that I purchased off of Amazon. And it is going to be fantastic because I have learned that I love to have my raised beds elevated now. Because, child, let me tell you, your girl does not like that bending over no more. It is a horrible thing for my back. So I have decided that all my beds that I have are going to be raised beds. Because the ones that my husband made for me, the red ones, are fantastic. I think I just got spoiled with those raised beds that he built for me because they are so easy to put dirt in, to plant my seedlings, harvest. Child, I saw the light. And I told him, all I want back there is raised beds. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So that's what I got this one for. It needs to be assembled, and I haven't, I just got it today, so I haven't had an opportunity to put it together. And plus, like I said, I want to do some stuff to it in order to get it right before I put it in the black and white garden, baby. So I just wanted to bring this mail call to you guys to let you know, woohoo, that I got my dehydrator and I got me another raised bed. And I am so, so excited about these two purchases. And I can't wait to add this raised bed to my garden outside and get to figuring out what I'm going to be putting in that dehydrator. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this mail call and I have inspired you to get a dehydrator or jump on the spice train, baby. You don't even need a dehydrator on some things. If you just want to dehydrate like your herbs or whatever, you can tie a little string around the bottom of the stems, hang them up, and let them dry naturally. I just like a dehydrator because it's quicker for me, and I am starting to do big volumes of things that I want to turn into spices. I want to do some preserving of my beans and stuff, and I want to put them on a shelf so whenever I need something like a vegetable or something, shoot, all I gotta do is get that jar of dehydrated vegetables and put them in some water so they can trying to move this box because this box kind of heavy. Said they can just rehydrate and get ready for a quick and simple meal. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. And if you haven't already subscribed to Renee's Garden, I would really, really appreciate it. And if you have been riding hard with me in Renee's Garden and taking all these wonderful journeys with me, I am so, so thankful for the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to give me a comment down below or give your girl a thumbs up. And just always look for that hit that notification bell, because child, over here, you know I'm always into something. Don't know what it is day by day, but I'm always got some kind of action going over here in Renee's garden. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee will keep you updated on the raised bed and my dehydrator. And don't forget, I'm going to take you along with all my journeys in that dehydrator because I'm on a mission, baby. And I'm going to get that mission completed. All right, guys, take care. And I will see you in the next mail call. Take care. Bye-bye.